Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are good. This is Priyanka, your class teacher. Students, as you know, we have already learned about non living things. Today, we will learn about the clothes. So, the topic for the day is clothes. But before going to start our session, firstly try to sit in circle. Circle with your parents, grandparents, siblings and friends. And let's talk about your clothes. About the clothes you are wearing. Do you like your clothes? Who dresses you up? And what would you like to wear? Your favorite cloth. Here the type of your favorite cloth. Discuss about the dresses you wear at home, you wear at functions, and you wear at school. Now, after the discussion, open your book at page number 62. The clothes we wear. Yes, let's identify the items of clothes. Look at these objects. Tick the ones you have. Do you know what they are called? Yes. Look here. Look at the clothes and tick only those clothes that ones you have and try to identify the name of the clothes like socks, midi, galaxy suit, vest, t-shirt, capri, half pant, frock, skirt. Yes, half pant, mini skirt, track suit, swimming suit, cap. Yes, students, try to identify the name of the clothes and the name of the items of clothing on the clothes line. Which one you like the most? Whether you have similar clothes? Which type of clothes you would like to wear? After doing this page, now open page number 63. Clothes and seasons. Yes, match each item of clothing with the correct season. One has been done for you. Look here, cap, socks, shoes, shirt, frock, gloves, raincoat, gumboot, woolen cap, muffler, shirt, jacket, jersey, half pant, full pant. Match each and every cloth with the particular season. Means, look here, jersey and pant, gloves, woolen cap, muffler. We have to wear into the winter season. Now, cap, shirt, half pant, frock, we have to wear it into the summer season, and gumboot, raincoat, we have to wear these clothes into the rainy season. Match each and every cloth, every item with their particular season. Now, look at the pictures of seasons and try to identify the name of the seasons and what the weather is like in each season. Yes, which type of food you would like to eat, which type of food you would like to eat in particular season, and which kind of clothes would you like to wear in order to feel to you look to wear in order to feel comfortable. Let's do an activity. Let's make a shoe out of cartoons. Yes. After this, look here, seasonal clothes. Look at the girl in various seasons. What is she wearing? Match each look with the correct season. Yes, look here. Rainbow. When rainbow will come? Into the rainy season. The other side. Yes, match each girl with the particular season. After this, look here. Open your book at page number 65. Match the clothes with the season. Yes, look at the pictures on the top half of the pages and identify the seasons. Look here. You have to match the girl with the particular season. The first season is of rainy season. The second one is winter season. Now, after doing these two pages, yes, try to identify the name of the seasons. Now, where the girl is wearing different kind of clothes and accessories. Look at the accessories also of the girls. Now, let's identify the name of each one and try to identify the accessories also, like umbrella, yash, yes, woolen cap, muffler, etc. Now, have you enjoyed the session? Stay home, stay safe, stay connected with your teacher and with your school. Thank you everyone and have a nice day. But before finishing the session, recite your rhymes we have already learnt, and it is time to free play. Go and after playing recite the rhymes. Okay? Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.